हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम डॉक्टर दिनेश कुमार यादव। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सिंगुलर वैल्यू डिकम्पोजिशन। फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट सिंगुलर वैल्यू डिकम्पोजिशन। Let capital A be an m by n real matrix of rank R which is less or equal to mean of m comma n. A singular value decomposition which is in short known as SBD is a way to factor a matrix capital A as matrix A. This is equal to a matrix U and a sigma matrix and a matrix V transpose, where U and V are orthogonal matrices such that U transpose U, this is equal to identity of order M, and V transpose V, this is identity matrix of order N. This sigma matrix is known as pseudo diagonal matrix, diagonal matrix contains singular values of A on its diagonal entries and 0 elsewhere. Thus, A is equal to U sigma V transpose, this is equal to U1, U2, so on. Um is a matrix of order M by M, and sigma and V1 transpose, V2 transpose same as Vn transpose matrix, where sigma is equal to sigma 1 0 0 0 0 0 sigma 2 0 0 0 0 0 sigma 3 0 0 0 so on 0 0 0 and sigma r 0 this is 0 0 here also 0 0 0 of order m by m. With u1 comma u2 comma un being the orthonormal columns of u sigma 1 sigma 2 sigma 3 so on sigma r being the singular values of matrix capital A satisfies sigma 1 greater or equal to sigma 2 greater or equal to so on greater or equal to sigma r which is greater than 0 and v1 transpose v2 transpose so on vn transpose being the singular values of being the orthonormal rows of VT. Singular value of a matrix capital A. Let capital A be a matrix of order m by n with rank small r which is less or equal to mean of m comma n. Let the eigenvalues of ETA are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on lambda r which are non-zero, then the similar values of matrix is given by sigma I, this is equal to square root of lambda I is equal to 1 to so on r, such that lambda 1 greater or equal, sorry, sigma 1 greater or equal to sigma 2 greater or equal to sigma 3, so on, greater or equal to sigma r. Example, find the singular values of a matrix capital A, this is equal to -4, -7, 1, 4. Now solution, matrix A is equal to -4, -7, 1, 4, and transpose of matrix A is given as -4, -7, 1, 4, and product of A transpose A is equal to -4, -7, 1, 4, and -4, -7, 1, 4. This is equal to 17, 32, 32, 65, and this is a symmetric real symmetric matrix. Also, A transpose, this is equal to -4, -7, 1, 4, and A transpose is -4, 1, -7, 4. This is equal to 65 -32, -32, 17. Let lambda be an eigenvalue of matrix A transpose A. Then characteristic equation is given by A transpose A minus lambda I, this is equal to 0, which is imply that lambda square minus trace of A transpose A lambda plus determinant of A transpose A, this is equal to 0. This is imply that lambda square minus 82 lambda plus 81, this is equal to 0, which is imply that lambda square minus 81 lambda minus lambda plus 81, this is equal to 0, which is imply that lambda minus 81 minus 1 lambda minus 81, this is equal to 0, or we get lambda minus 81 into lambda minus 1, this is equal to 0, which imply that lambda is equal to 1 and 81. Therefore, singular values corresponding to eigenvalues 81 1 are sigma 1, this is equal to square root of 81, this is equal to 9, and sigma 2, this is equal to square root of 1, this is equal to 1. Hence sigma 1, this is equal to 9, which is greater or equal to sigma 2, this is equal to 1. Are two similar values of matrix A